In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product photos in Affinity Photo. We'll start by opening Affinity Photo and bringing in your product image. Drag your file into the app or open it from the menu so it appears as a pixel layer on your canvas. To work with precise, photo-based tools, click the pixel view at the top of the interface. This switches you into the pixel-focused workspace that's perfect for retouching and cutouts. Before anything else, consider your composition. On the left toolbar, choose the crop tool. Pull the edges to tidy the frame, remove distractions, or center the product. Keep an eye on the grid to balance the subject and leave enough white space for text or pricing later. If you're unsure, make small adjustments and toggle the overlay to judge balance as you go. If the background needs to go, select the selection brush tool on the left, paint over the background or the product, depending on what's easiest to isolate. The brush automatically snaps to edges. Reduce or increase the brush size for tighter corners and larger areas. If it selects too much, switch to subtract and paint back the parts you want to keep. Zoom in along the edges and take your time around fine details like handles or tags. Once the background is selected, press Delete to remove it from the pixel layer. For a more flexible workflow, you can create a mask instead of deleting, so you can refine later without losing pixels. After the cutout, check the edges at 100% zoom and lightly feather or refine the selection if you see halos. Finally, return to your full view and make sure the product looks clean, centered, and evenly lit. With your crop in place and the background removed, your product photo is ready for use on your website, marketplace listing, or catalog.